Good afternoon. I'm talking about KitchenAid double oven that we purchased and are totally dissatisfied with. We've had repair out twice and they say that it's functioning properly, but the noise is not acceptable to us. From the time you turn it on to the time it cools down, the fan runs. It never stops. And it's not that it's the convection fan running, it's a circulating fan in the oven. So if we look at the oven and how it functions, the bottom oven is nice and quiet. The top oven is very noisy. So let's take a look. Come up here and I hit lower oven, 350, and then start. You hear click, and you can hear the noise. I'm coming down to the lower oven. You can barely hear the fan. Maybe a little hum, that's it. So now if I go to the upper oven, turn that on, bake, 350 again, hit start. And you can hear that fan wind up. Now, just to be sure, if I open the oven, you can see that the convection fan in the back is running. And wait till it stops so you can see it stop. But the noise is still present. And if you hear this noise, it's not like a fan running. It's a whirring sound, but it's up and down. The pitch is all over. So I close the door and the convection fan's running again. So if I turn off the upper oven, cancel, it stops. Bottom oven's still running. Barely hear it. Turn off the lower oven, and we're done. Now, that fan noise goes from the time you hit start until the time it cools down, and it's, with an eat-in kitchen, it's just very annoying.